In this video, I want to talk about taking action, why it's so important, and the speed of implementation and how beneficial it is for taking action as quick as possible in your life, and some of the benefits that it's given me and how it can translate into you. What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. Action is such a difficult aspect of my life. As an introvert myself, taking action to do these things, as an INFP especially, it's very difficult. I want to make my correct value assessment, and I want it to fit perfectly, and I want everything to be perfectly aligned, all my resources online going forward in the same direction before I take any action. So what that does is usually it brings out me, or my empath-like character, my hero of my story, talking to this kind of newbie-like sidekick aspect of myself, my guardian, my introverted sensing technically. And that it's just looping back and forth and saying like, I feel like this. Yeah, you do. I'm afraid to take action. Yeah. And you know why? Because of this experience when you took action before and you failed and everybody laughed at you and it was an awful situation. So you don't want to take action again, right? It's just it's placating. It's giving me all the information that I want to hear so that I can stay within my hero, my dominant function, instead of listening to what is technically called my auxiliary function as an INFP. This is extroverted intuition. And this is like the innovating explorer aspect of myself, the one that wants to push the buttons and shake things up and go to different planets and explore new things, talk to new people, do things that I've never done before. That mentorly like aspect of myself is it's pretty scary. And it's telling me to take action. It's telling me to do things. And yet, that's scary. That's the outer world. That's the world I don't know. I haven't experienced that yet. So let me consult with my past and check in to see what I gotta do. As you can imagine, that doesn't really work out towards taking action. So for introverts especially, this is our game. This is what we do here, is we just loop back and forth between these introverted aspects of ourselves, afraid to take action in the outer world. And that doesn't work. It doesn't help you gain skills and experience and treasures and loot and slay the dragons in your life. And everything that I've done in my life, really, that has given me massive benefits, massive gains, has been from taking action. It's been from saying, okay, I'm going to Japan. Okay, I'm going to study seduction and I'm going to talk to people. Okay, I'm going to put my videos out there on the internet and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to talk to this girl who became my wife. Now I have a kid. You know, everything comes from that. Okay, I've taken this course and now I need to actively profile like personality type people to gain skills and experience and taking those actions. Or I'm going to learn how to coach. Okay, I've studied this stuff, but actually doing the thing is where you get the experience and where you move forward, where you take steps forward in your life. And without doing that, you're just analyzing which step to take. And that can be good for a while. It's important. You know, you want to take the right steps, but if you're not taking any steps, then you're not going anywhere in your life. And I'm sure this works out in some way for extroverts too. You know, this isn't just an introvert thing. This is a human experience. But just talking from my aspects, the characters within me, the heroes within me, that's how it works for me. You know, for extroverts, I know you got your own struggles to deal with, and a lot of those are actually going inward and exploring what's going on inside you, and taking those actions. It's kind of an inverse relationship, but taking those actions to stop and consult with yourself and the internal compass, or your past experiences, or how you see things playing out into the future, or what you know to be true. You have your struggles as well, and all of these things are coming into how quickly are you going to take action on the things that you know you need to do, instead of waiting and letting time pass and not doing those things that you know you need to do. Eben Pagan talked about the speed of implementation. And it's, the faster you can do something and test it and try it out, run it through some trials, experiments, the more you're going to learn, the quicker you're going to learn, and the faster you're going to get ahead. And that can be going inwardly. I'm going to try meditating. I'm going to stop, I'm going to reflect, I'm going to journal, I'm going to do this, whatever it is. Or it can be through going out and taking actions. I got this idea, I want to do this journaling process, and here we go. I want to share it with other people. I'm going to do it. I'm just going to share it. Those are how you get forward. You move forward in your life and progress and level up and become a hero. So I hope that this video helped. Please let me know down below in the comments what you're going to do, what your next step is, and give it a time frame. Say, I'm going to do this tomorrow morning. I'm going to do this in 2 days, in the afternoon. I got time to do it, to make my life better. All right. And if you want some one-on-one coaching, you can go to geekpsychology.com, sign up for a clarity session. The clarity sessions are free. Please sign up for them if you're interested in one-on-one coaching. And sign up, you'll fill out a form that'll give me some information about what you're going for, what your struggles are, what you're trying to do with your life. And through our session, we can give you clarity on those, give you a way of taking steps forward, of handling that issue, as well as seeing if we're a good match for some personalized coaching. All right? Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.